Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another Alli's makeup adventure. So a few days ago, my friend Christina over on C Beauty USA on Instagram, she sent me this video of someone doing makeup with only a lipstick. So they used lipstick for eyeshadow, lips, and blush. And she was like, you should totally do this. Reminded her of that time I used a blush to do like all of my makeup. So she was like, do it with a lipstick. And I was like, okay, I can do that. So that's what we're doing today. We are doing another Alli's Weird Makeup Adventure. So I'm going to be using one lipstick to do eyeshadow, cheeks, and lips. So yeah, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And before we continue, I just want to say thank you guys so much for entering my giveaway. Thank you to those who have supported my channel from day one. Thank you to those who are new to this channel today. Thank you so much. The giveaway ended on March 14th and the winner has been selected. I have contacted her. So congratulations to Starr for winning the giveaway. I'm sorry if you did not win. There could only be one winner, but you know, there will be other giveaways down the line. And I was also thinking like maybe for the next giveaway that I do eventually, like, you know, several months down the line, I don't know if I should do like one big gift or if I should like split it up into two. What do you guys think? Would you rather have like 2 chances of winning and have like a smaller prize, or have 1 chance of winning and getting a bigger prize? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. So yeah, so let's jump right into this look. I'm kind of hesitating. I keep like trying to talk about things. I'm like, what can we talk about? The weather? Yeah. So I already did my foundation, brows are done, everything has been primed and powdered, etc. So I decided to go with the Chanel Rouge Velvet number 63 Nightfall because I was looking at the different textures of lipsticks that I have. I really wanted to avoid anything too glossy because I have ones that have more of a glossy finish, and I feel like especially for the eyes that's gonna not look so great. So this one has like, it's like a normal lipstick that's like a little bit matte. This is not the actual matte one. No, this is just like, oh yeah, well, the Velvet collection from the Chanel lipsticks is like technically a matte, but it's not like a liquid matte. So it's a bit more matte. I feel like I've been saying the word matte a whole lot. I feel like you could also try this with a liquid lipstick, but I feel like those dry down really fast, so you'd have to be really quick. So I feel like a matte lipstick in a tube is probably like the best option because yeah, I don't want it to be like too glossy on my eyelids. So I don't really know where to start. I'm just gonna keep talking and delaying the process. So yeah, I feel like in the video they just like took the lipstick and were just like swipe and then just blend it, and I'm like, can I do that? How do I do this? Also, at first I thought I was gonna go with like a red, like a fire engine red, but I decided to go with something a bit more plummy because I feel like that's going to look a bit better on the eyes. I'm not sure how like a tomato red would look on the eyelids, you know? And I also did play around with like some swatches on the back to see how they would blend because, you know, I don't want to like have to do all of my makeup over again. I mean, I have done that before for videos. Okay, oh my god, I'm gonna stop blabbing and just do it. Wish me luck, guys. Okay. Ooh, okay. So I did go ahead and clean my brushes today because I figured I would need it. I was also worried that maybe the lipstick would break down my makeup because it is like, not greasy, but it is kind of oily compared to powders and everything, but so far it's working. Maybe I blended it too much. Just gonna put some directly on the brush here. My instinct is to just blend as quickly as possible because I'm worried it's going to, what if this stains? What if this stains my eyelid? Well, you'll see on, no, not Friday. I pre-filmed for Friday's video. Well, I'll let you know if lipstick stains your eyelid. Just gonna put a bit more. So I'm trying to just like blend as quickly as possible because I'm worried that like it's just going to set where it is. But I'm like not mad at this. I feel like every time I wash my brushes, they lose a lot of bristles the next time I use them. Maybe I just wash them too aggressively. I'm just like, so I'm gonna shake a little bit on this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and swipe this under my lashes. I feel like I can never apply makeup on my bottom lashes without doing like this. Every time I edit my videos, I'm like, oh my god, just close your mouth. Okay, so far so good. It looks a little monochromatic, but I'm not mad. It could have gone much worse, but you know what? I should shut up because I have another eye to do. So I'm gonna zip it and continue working. Okay, so far so good. Like I mentioned, this is pretty monochromatic. It's just like one color. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Beaming Blush Highlight and use a little bit of that on the inner corner here. I'm gonna use this as a regular highlight afterwards, so hopefully that'll just like marry all the colors together. And I have to say, this lipstick on my eyelids, it honestly feels like a regular lipstick. It doesn't, or regular lipstick. It feels like regular eyeshadow. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like anything. It just, yeah. I was worried at first it would feel like greasy or heavy, but I think using more of a matte texture definitely helps. I think if you use like more of a glossy or a satin finish, maybe it would feel a bit weird, but no, and it doesn't seem to be moving. It's just like staying in place. But I did like prime my eyelids like I would normally. So far so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the mascara just to finish off the eyelid. Okay, so for the blush, I actually went ahead and cleaned my blush brush, yes. And I'm going to put some of it on here instead of just putting it here. I think this is the part that I was worried about because this is like more fatty. I feel like in French you say like col gras. I don't know what you say, like I don't know how you say that in English. But yeah, I feel like if I put this on top of my powder and foundation like directly, maybe it'll break it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put a little bit here. You really just need like a tiny little bit. I think it's just because like lipsticks are so concentrated that you don't need much. So I'm just taking whatever's left here and just kind of patting it here just to make sure all the colors are married in together. And bristle. Oh my god, I feel like I have so many bristles on my face. I feel like I look very red, but I don't know if I'm just noticing my blush more because I know it's lipstick. Let me just do this. There we go. Okay, so last but not least, the lips. Okay, this is the finished look, you guys. I find it really interesting that using one lipstick and just blending it out in different intensities gives a really different result, because this is the exact same lipstick here, here, and here, and they look very different. Obviously on the eyes, it looks much more pink. It looks more like a berry, but I guess just like shearing it out, it gives that effect. And then on the lips is like the highest concentration. And then for the cheeks, I just wanted to do it like, you know, a bit more demure, a bit more calm, because I felt like just having like boom, boom, boom would be like a little too much. Maybe it's better for like high fashion, but for everyday, you know, going to shop at Maxi, it might be a little bit too much. So there you guys go. This is the finished result. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked the idea. Let me know down in the comments if you have any more weird makeup ideas. I love doing like Alli's makeup adventure where I just do something really weird with my makeup. I think it's fun. So if you guys have any more weird makeup suggestions, let me know down in the comments. I would love to just try them out. I can just be your guinea pig and sacrifice my makeup and my face for your guys' amusement. So make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It really does mean the world to me that you take your time to watch my videos. It really does, because there's so many other YouTubers you could watch, but you watch me. That's so nice. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.